Hello everyone. Uh, Let us wait for others to join. I welcome you guys. I welcome you. Welcome. Welcome to Forex SB Academy. Let us wait for others to join. Hello, hi. If you can hear me, type your name in the comment section. As you're joining, type your name in the comment section. As you're joining, type your name in the comment section. Let us wait for others. If you can hear me clearly, hello everyone, welcome. Hi everyone, I believe you can all hear me. I believe you can hear me, guys. If you can hear me, type your name in the comment section. If you can hear me, type your name in the comment section. I welcome you guys, I welcome you all. I welcome Forex SB Academy. You already know my name is Idowu Oluwaseyi Paul. Popularly, I would prefer you call me IOP. Can you guys see my screen? Can you guys see my screen? If you can see my screen, type 1. Type 1. Can you all see my screen? If you can see my screen, type 1. I welcome you once again. Welcome to Forex SB Academy. This is your time to shine. This is your time to make money in the Forex market. If you can see my screen, type 1. We are going to start. Let's wait for others to join. Soon we are going to start. Let us wait for others to join. In 2 minutes' time, we are going to start. I don't want anyone to miss out on this. Beautiful. I can see Blessing Henry. I can see Echo Robert. I can see Wealth Clement. Welcome. I can see Jameson, my new friend. Hi, welcome. I can see Mafa. I can see Calorie. Yeah, Calorie, yeah. I'm happy to have you all. Welcome, Climate. Welcome. So let's wait for the next 2 minutes so others also will join before we start. I don't want anyone to miss out on this. Let us wait for others to join. Let us wait for others to join. We are going to start now. We are going to start now. If you can hear me clearly, type 2. If you can hear me clearly, type 2. If you can hear my voice clearly, type 2. If you can hear my voice clearly, type 2. I can see Innocent. Welcome, Innocent. If you can hear my voice, type 2. Good one. Charles, welcome. All right. All right. Good one. So that means we don't have much time. So let's start. All right. You already know my name is Idowu Oluwaseyi Paul, popularly known as IOP. I'm going to be your coach for now. For the next 2 to 3 weeks, I'm going to be your coach. I'm going to be sharing with you how you can profit from the market. So there is not much time. We need to start now. So now discover how to make 3,000 to 5,000 naira, $5,000 monthly trading forex with IOP. So tonight, I'm going to share a lot of information with you, and I'm going to, at the end of this training, I'm going to share a gift worth 2,000 plus with you. So only to those people that stay till the end of this training we get those benefits. So let's get started. So I need you to do something very important for me right now. Anywhere you are, make sure the place is silent. This is very important. Anywhere you are right now, make sure that place is very silent. Go to a silent place, turn off your TV, rejoin if you lose connection. So do that right now. Make sure anywhere you are is very quiet. So this program is for anyone who knows that the internet is here to stay. If you are here and you know that the internet is here to stay, then this program is for you. And it's also for those who want to take full advantage of this program. So as to make money for themselves. If you can hear me clearly, type 3. If you can hear me clearly, type 3. So, next 30 minutes, I will show you how to scale up your game and leave the rat race and stop living the rat race. Yeah, in the next 30 minutes, I'm going to show you how to scale up your game and leave the rat race, you know. And also, I'm going to show you how to start making consistent money monthly from the Forex markets and other financial markets. So I trade the currency market, and I believe majority of us here already know little about the financial market. Under the financial market, we have a lot of markets. We have the forex market, which is also financial market. We have the currency market. Yeah, we have stock and bond, we have hedge fund, we have cryptocurrency, we have indices. So there are lots of markets, In all these markets, we buy and sell currencies. So there are different ways of, exchanging money all over the world. So you can decide to use Bitcoin, which is cryptocurrency. You can decide to use fiat, maybe dollar, pounds, euro, and the likes. You can decide to use a lot of means to share money with people all over the world. So, who is IOP? Firstly, you need to get to know me better. So, in this journey, you'll be able to learn a lot from me. So who is IOP and how did I went from almost committing suicide in 2017 to making more than 500,000 plus in 6 years from trading Forex market? So you are going to get to know me. So these are the three companies I own presently. Forex SB Academy, which you are already here now. That is my first company. Then I have a foundation. We help a lot of people all over the world in Nigeria, in also here in the UK. We are going to start our foundation also here in the UK soon. And also we have the latest one, which is Prafon Investment Limited. Under Prafon, this is what we do. We invest in real estate, we invest in properties, both commercial properties, and residential properties all over the world. I'm a co-founder of this company. We are two that are running this company presently here in the United Kingdom. We just registered our company and we've started investing in some properties all over United Kingdom. So soon, as time goes on, you will get to know me better. You will get to understand a lot about me, and also you will get to benefit and also invest in all these things. So those are the three companies I own presently. So this is me some years back. I could remember. That is life. In life, we have ups and downs. You can see here that this is where I started Forex in just a room. I started Forex in just a room. That was in 1917 to 2018. You can see it was very tough. I was doing everything on my own. I don't have a mentor. I don't have a job. I was jobless. I was struggling with life. Sleepless nights. I was broke. You know. So, but thank God for today. We've scaled through. So this was sometime. I make money. I lose money. you know I'll keep on learning on YouTube, keep on learning, watching a lot of videos. Still I keep on losing because I don't understand how the markets work. It took me a lot of time. I was doing everything. I was jobless at this particular time. So but thank God for today. I'm now a testimony. So everything changed for good. Everything changed in 2018. Everything changed. That was when I met my real estate mentor, and also I paid some what's it called, some forex traders. I paid one in Germany. I paid like three in what's it called, USA and the likes. I was learning. I was researching, making sure I break that barrier. So you can see this was when I started making money, and this was one of my office then in Abuja. If you are in Nigeria, you should know Abuja is the capital of Nigeria. This was the first car I bought. I know you guys will be laughing at me now, right? Yeah, this was the first car I bought. You know, there is what they said: once beaten, twice shy. Yeah, once beaten, twice shy. When you are once broke, when you are once poor, and you always thought of committing suicide, they won't tell you before you will learn. You understand? They will not tell you before you will learn. So I bought this particular car, Golf 2, in which year was that? I think in 2018. Yeah, I bought this particular car. Then I didn't drive it. I gave the car to an old man to use it as taxi, and he was delivering a percentage of his profit weekly. There was an agreement. So one of my what's it called, business mentor shared this with me then. So I started making money. See, in this life, there are principles, there are rules to success. And if you don't follow those rules, there is no way you will be successful. Those 3% of the people ruling the world, they know the rules, they know the principles. That's why they are where they are today. So after I told you I almost committed suicide. I was broke. I was even owing someone 500,000 naira. It should be around $250 then. You know, I was owing someone. I was broke. I was looking for the easiest way to die. That was how broke I was. poor I was then. But when I bounced back, when I learned how the market work, when I started making money, I started diversifying my money because I don't want to go back to where I was coming from. So I bought this car, then I gave it to someone. The person was delivering a percentage to me every month, every week. So this was when my life changed. I started trading. I started making money. I started making a lot of money from the market. So it was me. This was me. Coming, guys. Let's do it like this. Seems all right, guys. Uh, Sorry, guys. Okay. So this was me. So when I started making money, I started investing, I started diversifying my profit into real estate and other businesses. So this was me. You can see I got my office. I was able to buy my own house. You know, this was my second car. I bought a Sienna. Then after that, I bought a Lexus. Then I bought a what's it called? A Jeep, Toyota Jeep. Then my last car before leaving, before relocating from Nigeria, is a Kia Cerato. So those are the four cars I was able to buy from the money I made from Forex. But because I've learned, I invested my money. I diversified my money. I met a lot of people. I was able to visit National Assembly, people in Abuja, people in Nigeria, the House of Representative, Federal Republic of Nigeria. I was able to start meeting big men, big people, big politicians. I started connecting with people because connection is very important in this life. When you start making money, invest your money into properties, connect with like-minded people, people that think out of the box, people that invest. That's how to create generational wealth. You are going to learn all these things from me. You know, I've passed through the bad time, but thank God for life. You are going to learn a lot of things. So this is one of my business mentor, Honorable Akinlabi. Some people in Nigeria, you should know Akinlabi. He's also a guru. He has a big tech company in Nigeria. He's the owner of Naira Bet. Yeah, Naira Bet in Nigeria. I met him. He's one of the politicians in the National Assembly in Nigeria that I met then. So you can see, I started traveling around the world. I started visiting a lot of states in Nigeria, storing. What gave me this Forex? Don't forget, when I made a lot of money from the Forex market, I invested into properties. I invested majority of my money into properties. Investing in properties is very important. So you're going to learn all these things. So these are some of the properties I bought in Nigeria. I rented some of it out in Nigeria. This is one of the property I bought in what's this area called? Opposite Guarimpa. I bought one property there also. I was able to buy 52 acres of land in my hometown, Ogun State. And then I also started some construction, some what's it called, student hostels in Abeokuta, in Funab, OOU, and the likes. So this is me in 2022 before relocating out of Nigeria. You can see looking fresh. So who could believe that someone that was once broke, that almost thought of committing suicide, can be this fresh? It's God. And the wisdom and the knowledge God gave me. So you can see this is one of my card then. So because of some things, insecurity and everything, I decided to relocate and leave Nigeria. So I decided to relocate to United Kingdom. So this was me in London in 2023 when I moved into uh, UK. Presently, I'm a resident here in the UK. So I decided to relocate in 2023 out of Nigeria to the UK because of insecurity. So you can see this is center of London. Then I bought in just 2 weeks when I moved into the UK. I bought my first car. I bought my first car. This is my first car. Then after some months, I bought another car, which is this, a BMW. So I started traveling around the world. I've traveled to like 11 countries: Nigeria, Benin Republic, Turkey, UK, Norway, France, Germany, Ireland, Greece, Spain. You know, Forex gave me freedom. And that's what I want you also to get. You need freedom. When you have money, money will solve 80% of your problem. When you have money, money will give you love, it will give you peace, it will give you all the good things of life. And that is what I want for you. That is what I want for you. See, poverty is a disease and nobody is supposed to be poor. When you have money, there are a lot of things you'll be able to do. Put yourself, I will come to that. So this is me in Norway. I visited Norway last year in March. I toured around Norway. Is a nice place. Nice place. The people are nice. You know, they are welcoming. I visited a lot of places in Norway. This is France. I also traveled to France. You know, and this is Ireland. I and my wife we visited Ireland, and this is one of their stuff in their center. I visited Dublin in Ireland. I also visited Greece in Athens. Very beautiful place, very nice place. When you start making a lot of money, I believe majority of you here have traveled around the world. Majority of you here have visited a lot of countries. You know, these are some of the places you need to visit when you start making crazy money from the forex market. Athens is a nice place, cool place. This is Acropolis. Yeah, it's one of the old ancient building in Greece. So I also visited Madrid last 2 months. I think it was November or so. I visited Madrid. Very beautiful. Since I've been traveling around the world, Spain, Madrid is the most beautiful and most awesome place I've visited, and I'm going to visit that place again this year. Don't just miss it. Visit Madrid when you start making that crazy money market. I also visited Switzerland. Place is very expensive, but very cool. It's like times four more expensive than United Kingdom, but it's a good place you can be when you want if you want to invest. The main reason why I visited Switzerland is because I want to. The interest there is very low when it comes to investing in properties. So I traveled down there in order to go and make some inquiry concerning their real estate market there. It's top notch. You investing like $200,000 or pounds there, you'll be getting nothing less than like 2,000 to $3,000 to pounds monthly. It's a good investment country. I will advise you to visit when you start making that crazy money. So I and my co partner, we have plan of investing in that country. That's why I had to visit that place. It's a very cool place. I visited Bern and also Zurich. Zurich is a cool place. So I will share with you the main reason why I'm here. The main reason why I shared all this with you is for you to picture yourself doing great thing. Money is just a number. Value is what gives money. When you have a value, money will solve all your the value will solve all your problem. You will make money. So I'm going to share with you the exact business that has taken me from broke to almost committing suicide and depressed. 25 years. Then I was 25 years old graduate. I almost committed suicide in 2017. Now I'm 33 years old and I'm a multimillionaire. So I'm going to share you a lot of things. The business I do, you are going to learn a lot. And thank God you are here. So I was able to make all this happen because of the knowledge I got from learning from the best. So I was able to learn how the banks trade. I was able to learn how the institutional traders trade. I was able to learn how hedge fund managers manage people fund. I was able to learn how the big financial market traders trade. The 3%, we are talking about the people controlling the market. I was able to learn how they do all those things. So, first thing, some of you here are new into this game. You don't even know what Forex is. That's why I shared that my course worth 50 dollar. I shared it with you that you guys should go and watch it, and I gave you guys for free. You need to understand the basics. You need to understand those terms of Forex. You need to understand all those things like what is candlestick, candlestick pattern, and the likes. Those are just the basic. Those are like the language of Forex. Yeah, I do say it that candlestick is the language of Forex. If you don't understand French and you try to go to France, there is no way you'll be able to communicate with people there. I believe you guys can hear me. I believe if you guys can hear me, type 4. If you guys can hear me, type 4. If you guys can hear me, type 4. If you can all hear me, type 4. Yeah, type 4, guys. If you guys can hear me, type 4. Good one. So, what is Forex? We are going into the. What is Forex trading? Forex is simply exchange. That's what we do there. We exchange currencies, right? You can also define it as exchange of one currency for another. So if you decide to go to China to buy some goods there and you take dollar there, they won't accept that dollar unless you change it at their airport and change it to their currency. So you doing that, the person that is in the middle, which is the exchanger, has made something from that transaction. Simply that is what Forex is. So Forex is exchange of currencies and making profit from it. So we, the online forex traders, we don't need to open a shop. We don't need to do all those things. We don't need to open an office and be exchanging with our smartphone and our laptop. We can trade and make money from the market. If you can hear me, type 5, type 5. So this is one of the pair I trade, Euro USD. So you are just exchanging or you are just trading Euro against United States dollar. You can also trade GBP USD. You can trade a lot. And more than $6 trillion is being traded in the forex market every blessed day. Every blessed day, more than $6 trillion is being traded. And you know the funniest part? Making $3,000 every month is just like a drop of water in the ocean. So you can be making $3,000 monthly from the forex market if you know what you are doing. So and that's why we are here, right? So I believe some of you know who this is, Warren Buffett. He was once the richest man in the world before the likes of Mark Zuckerberg and Elon Musk and co took over. He had made a lot of money from the forex market. George Soros also. So they are among most successful investor. Both born in this, they started with zero capital. They started with what? Zero capital. But they started with knowledge on how the market work. So these are the you know, top investors, top traders, that control. They are one of the people that control the forex market. They are one. They are even low when it comes to the main people that control the forex market. So this is, I think this calculation was done years back, and you can see 69 billion from the forex market, and he has a lot of investment. He's one of the top investor of Coca-Cola and the likes. You can see George Soros 8 billion. So you also can make minimum $3,000 monthly from the forex market if you know what to do. So right now, I know you are currently asking yourself if you can actually make consistent money trading the forex market. Yes, it's 100% certain that forex can change your lifestyle in a twinkle of an eye. Let me show you a few examples of people like you currently doing it and making a truckload of money from the forex market. If these people can do it, you too can do it. I started from somewhere, and they also started from somewhere, and this is where they are. This is one of my students, Mr. Aino Oladeji. He met me in Nigeria some years back. I think 2022 or 2021. I can't really remember. And you can see it here. He said it surprised me, oh boss. I just calculated the total dollar I sold for the month of February, and it gave me 1.4 million naira, which is about $1,000. Right, my annual salary for 3 years, and I got it in a month. You know, he made 1.4 million, which is his annual salary for good 3 years. He made it in 1 month when he started trading, and the screenshot is here. It showed me the receipt of the payment he made. You know, and thanks so much. Just 4 days in the new month, I've already made 400,000 naira. You know, so a lot of people are making a lot of money. So just imagine yourself making your total annual salary in just 1 month. Let's even leave that. Let's assume you make your annual salary if in even 2 months from the forex market. You know, so it was the one that sent me this. You know, one of in forex this 2021, yes, 2021, is that I've started my. We like to take you there when you are around. So he shared me this. He was able to start his house foundation with the money he made from the forex market in just 3 months. So you can do it. Now imagine yourself starting that your big house project from the money you make from the forex market, or that you start a commercial property, maybe a shop, a big commercial property in one of the city center in your country. Do you know how much you'll be making? So just imagine yourself stepping into that property, that your house you wish to build, and you have always prayed for. Just imagine it. Put yourself in that shoe. Imagine it that in the next 1 month, in the next 2 months, you make like $5,000. Just imagine yourself. What are you going to use that $5,000 for? Type it in the box. Let's assume you make $5,000 in the next 1 month. What are you going to do with the $5,000? Type it in the box. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Type it in the box. So we are getting to the main training soon. Type in type it in the box. In the next 1 month, let's assume you make $5,000. What are you going to do with the money? So this is also one of my students, Adeoye Olamide, uh, air condition to his house. He was able to buy his younger brother an iPhone X. That was 2021. You know, he made a lot of money from the forex market. I also have Prince Abdul, who made 400,000 in 1 day. Yeah, he made 14K this. I overtrade but stopped since I have passed my 10K daily target. So his daily target then was around 10K. But this is one of the withdrawal he made 400,000 naira, you know. So this is some of his withdrawal you can see from Derive. Yesterday I told you guys that one of the broker I trade with is Derive, and you can see he withdrew $100 from that Derive platform. This is one of his withdrawals, so 66,000 naira. So people are making a lot of money, you know. And this is some of my students also. Gideon, he was able to buy his first car, and this is also Karim Abdul Karim. He was able to buy a GL. This was in 2022. You know, he has made I think he has another car recently. That was last year. So people are making a lot of money, and you too can make it. If they can do it, you can do better than them. Okay. So now picture yourself in few months' time. How much do you think you'll be making from the forex market daily or weekly? Imagine all you will benefit from taking action on the information I will be sharing with you. So now I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to share my screen now. So you guys, I'm going to share some information with you on how to trade the forex market. So if you can hear me if you can hear me, type let's start. If you can hear me, type let us start. I'm going to share now. Type let's start in the comment section. I'm waiting. Type let's start. Type let's start. Type let's start. Type let's start. I'm waiting. Yeah, some people said they will invest in business. Some said they Kolo Relay said he's going to invest in business. Cole Robot said he's going to start a building project. Blessing said to better my life. Wow, beautiful. Uh Ruben said he wants to buy land for future use. Wow. So you can use the land for agriculture, you can use it for a lot of things, you know. I'm happy to hear this good one. So I believe you guys can see my screen. If you can see my screen, type screen. Type screen. Ruben said he's going to complete his house. Wow, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. If you can see my screen, type screen. Type screen. I wish to start having something for myself. Yeah, you are going to get there. As long as you have me and you have God, you are good. My target is $1,000 daily. It's achievable with the platform I told you that borrow people money on how to trade. If you have like $300, you can get you can get access to like $30,000 worth of trading capital, and with that, you can be making $1,000 daily. You can be making $500, $200 daily. Nothing impossible, you know. As long as you have a working, that's all you need. So I believe you guys can see my screen now. So let's go straight to the point. So now let's focus only on this part. You know, we are going to. I'm going to explain what really happened in the market this week. You know, now there is this line, we call it trend line. It's one of the two that we use to trade in the forex market. It's one of the two I use to trade, and I and my students used to trade in the forex market. First thing you need to know how to, if you're a beginner here, please go and watch the videos I shared with you yesterday. Go and watch those videos. It's very important. You will learn all these things. These are some of the language I told you about that. You need to understand the basic term. This thing is what they call line, trend line. This one is what they call candlestick. This particular one is red candlestick. This particular one is uh, green candlestick and is bullish. This red is bearish. So those things are little things you need to understand. So you can see this trend line is very powerful and you need to understand it. Now, the first thing, when you see a break of trend line, the market is telling you that I'm about to change trend. It's just like you turning at a roundabout or you are making a U-turn. So the market is about to make a U-turn and see what happened after that. The market trend up. You understand? That is one of the signal that the market is speaking to you. The market is talking to you. It's just like your wife. Your wife is talking to you, and you need to understand your wife. So the market is speaking to you. So you need to understand what the market is saying. Here, the market tells you, I'm about to change trend. I took this particular trade and I made money. You understand? So you need to understand the trend of the market. You need to understand the trend. This is one of the things you need. This is just one out of 20 things you need to know. Trend change. And when the market is trending, you want to take advantage of that trend. You want to take advantage of that trend till it change to another trend. Now, presently, the market is on uptrend. So you only want to place more or buy. You don't want to take sell. You understand? You don't want to take sell. This is an opportunity to re-enter here. I took this particular trade, I made money. This particular one too, I traded it and I made money from it. A lot of my students made money from these trades. There's another trade here that I traded. I made money from it. This is just one of the rules. As a trader, this is just one of the rules. There are still some more information you need to know about the market. Presently, the market is on uptrend, so you only want to buy. And there is a support here which later turned to resistance. There is a resistance here which got broken here and later turned to support. So there are a lot of things you need to know about the market. Here also we have support and resistance. This there is a resistance here, there is a break, then retest, then retest again, then retest, then retest, and it broke the trend line there and started going up. So there are a lot of information you need to know, you need to learn about the market so you can take advantage of the market. So trend line, I have a course how powerful trend line is. Trend line is one of the tools you as a trader need to learn. It needs to be in your trading arsenal. So I traded this particular trade here. I took this trade and I made money. I made 1,700 plus from this. Some of my students make 2,000, some make 500, some make 200, some make $60. You know, I traded this particular one too. I shared it with you guys yesterday in the WhatsApp group when we had that yesterday trading, and I shared it. I made 300 plus from this particular one. This one I made 1,007. This particular trade there, I think I made like $900. Right, this particular one, I think I made like $500. You know, there are opportunities in the market for you to make a lot of money. So let me show you more. Let me show you more. Let me show you more. So you can see here, you can see the market is downtrend. You only want to sell. Sell opportunity here, sell opportunity here. This particular candlestick is too long. I will teach you why. They are what they call psychology of trading. You know, fear of missing out. This kind of trade, you don't want to trade it because the candle, you can see out of all the candlesticks that are here, this is the longest. It's too long. What really happened here was news. So this candlestick is speaking to me now. News happened here that made this market to go down like this. So you don't want to trade this kind of trade. So there is another opportunity for you to trade here. You can see it went into profits. I made money from this particular trade here. I took profits of like 700 from this, then held the rest trade to somewhere around there. And I made total of almost $2,500. Some of my students make crazy money. There's one particular student that trade with $100,000, and he made close to $12,000 from this particular trade. So you making $3,000, 500, $5,000 is nothing when you have the right strategy, when you understand the system. This is just one out of 50, 20 things I'm going to share with you. This is just one of the rules. Understanding the trend of the market and following the trend. If you are feeling me, if you are enjoying the training, type enjoy in the comment section. If you are enjoying this training, type enjoy in the comment section. If you are enjoying this training, type enjoy in the comment section. I'm waiting, guys. I'm waiting. Type enjoy in the comment section. We don't have much time. We only have like 30 minutes more and we are going to end it. If you are enjoying it, type enjoy. Type enjoy. Drop a comment. Drop a comment. If you are learning something, drop a comment. Drop a comment. If you have any question, also ask it. Ask it. Ask it. If you have any question, ask it in the comment section. I'm with you guys. I'm with you. I'm with you. Ask your question. I'm free. I'm free to ask it. I will answer. All right. This is a and I took this trade. I made money. A lot of my students made money from this. That's what they see. When I place a buy, they place a buy. When I place sell, they place a sell. because the strategy all of us are using is same thing. I designed the strategy. I call it SB Mamove strategy. I also have another strategy, money printing machine strategy. I have two strategies that I trade with. I don't trade with any other strategy apart from those two. So my strategy, when my strategy tells you to buy, just buy. Set your stop loss, set your take profit, leave the market. Please give me a few minutes. So can you help me with some little capital, start trading, and broke hand, wish to be like you one day and give testimony? I've told you after this class, maybe tomorrow, I'm going to share with you guys platforms to get funded. See, information is key. When you have access to some information, you can never be poor. You can never be broke. There are platforms that give you capital with a little deposit, you get a bigger capital. With like $100, you get like $3,000 to trade with. So I'm going to share all these things with you. That's why you are here. I will invest in real estate property and my agrochemical business. Beautiful. Now we trade bearish and bullish in the trend market. See, when the market is going down, is trending down, which is bearish, you only want to sell. Never trade against the trend. It's just like you dropping a knife and you want to put your hand below to catch it. Never try that. You are trading against the trend. The trend is going down and you want to pick the knife like that. No, it's just like a moving train. A train is going left. You understand? You now want to stand in front of the train. Never try that. Be in the train and ride the train. When the train is now coming back, you want to come back with the train. How do you determine? You are going to learn a lot. These are some of the information. I can't answer all your questions here. After this, that's why I said we have 3 weeks, a week, 2 weeks. It depends on how fast you are. For new traders that don't know anything about Forex, within 3 weeks, you should start making money. People that already have little knowledge about Forex, within 1 week, you should when you have access to this strategy, you should be making a lot of money from the market. How can I identify the right position? Right position to enter trade. First thing, you need to know the trend of the market. Just what I said here. Presently, the market is up trend here. So this is what I use to spot the trend. A bigger break of trend line. Then you want to follow the trend. If you have a bigger break of trend line on higher time frame, like 4 hours, 1 day time frame, it's telling you that the market is going to trend for like 1 month straight. That's when you now want to take advantage of the market. You want to start buying more. There's sometimes the market will pull back. We call it reversal trade. You just take a little reversal trade, take little profits, and leave the market. But you want to trend more. You want to follow the trade more. I think you're getting it. When the market is trending up, you only want to buy. It's trending down, you only want to sell. Never trade against the trend. The rule, right, is one of also the psychology rule is one of the rule there. Fear of missing out is one of the rule. There are lots of information you need to. I've made videos for all these things, and also I'm going to have a one-on-one training with you guys maybe next week. You will learn all these things. There are videos. I've made videos. I think where is my website? There are videos that I've made that will guide you on all these things. See, on all those things there, which I'm going to give you access to when you become a member of this academy. Course stages, course stages. Here you will see we have stages. We have my course. So I've made videos on all those things. So I'll have to log in. So you are in the right place. You don't have any problem. You are in the right place. Make sure you follow me. Keep on following me, right? I, I want to know the platform that borrows someone's money to trade. After the class, I'm going to share one of it with you. I'm going to share one of it to you after this class, right? But there is one particular one which I trade with $100. You should be able to get a $3,000 capital. With like a $3,300, you should be able to get a $10,000 capital. And you know the funniest part about this particular one, which I will share with you when you become a member. This particular one, which is the funded account, funded platform, with like let's say $300, they will give you access to $10,000 capital, and you don't have to pass any stage. Like it's zero stage. When they give you the capital, any profit you start making on that platform in 15 days, you can withdraw your money, right? But I will also share you another one after before I end this training. That one, they have one stage. They also have two stages that you need to pass. But this one that I trade with and I and my student trade with, you don't have to pass any stage. They give you live account straight. With your $300, you get 10,000. So with that 10,000, if you start trading using my SB Mamove strategy and the money printing machine, you should be able to make nothing less than 300 or $200 on a trade. So let's assume you take 2 trades a week. Fear of missing out, leave that. Don't rush. When you see those 2 trades, following the strategy I'm going to teach you, if you're making 300 on one trade, you don't have to trade every day. Use 1 hour time frame. If you're making $300 2 times a week, that's $600. Multiply that times 4. That's about 2004. Free money for you. You don't have to trade every day. You don't have to start using 5 minute time frame, 1 minute time frame. No, 1 hour time frame is okay, or 4 hour time frame. Spot the right trade. Assuming this market, assuming you just take this particular trade here, right? This one here, right? And you were able to hold it to this level, and you use maybe 10 lot size. Do you know how much you are going to make? Stop loss should always be below your entry, which is here. Assuming it's only this trade you take this week and you use 10 lot size. Do you know how much you're going to make? Let's assume you use 1 lot size. You should be making nothing less than $1,600 in just one trade with 1 lot size in just 1 week. Let's assume you are a you are a day trader. You take this trade, you make small money from this one, maybe $400. 2 days, you see this opportunity, you take it, you make another dollar from this or $700. Then 3rd day, don't forget you are a day trader. You see another trade there, you take this, you make maybe $300. For that week, you've already made 7 plus 3 plus 4. That's about 1,004. Knowledge is all what you need, right? So let me go back. I'm going to end this part now so we can continue. So I said something about trend. You can see this market is downtrend. You only want to sell, and these are sell opportunities, right? This is a good sell opportunity here. Good entry, sell opportunity, perfect entry, sniper entry, right? Sell opportunity, good entry, sell opportunity here, good entry. Right now, the market has changed to uptrend. You only want to buy. You only want to do what? You only want to buy. And this is one entry here. There's another entry here. Trend line is just one of the two. Right? I've designed strategy. With the strategy, you don't need to stress yourself with trend line. It tells you when to buy and when to sell. I call it SB Mamove strategy. Even a beginner, a 6 years old child can trade using the strategy. So you can see this also. You can see opportunities. just by looking at this. This is a good buy signal here. You make money from that. This is a good buy signal here. You make money from that. This is a good buy signal. This particular broker, you can see a jump, right? It then came back to close that gap, right? Majority of the time, 60% of the time, when you have this kind of gap, the market will come back and close the gap. And you can see they use news to close the gap. You need to understand the market. The market is speaking to you. 30 minutes time frame, I won't advise you to trade with 30. You can trade with 15-minute time frame, you can trade with 1 hour, you can trade with 4 hours, but the minimum should be 15. 30 minutes, I won't advise. There is a reason why I say that, right? Don't trade with 30 minutes. 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 day. From 15 minutes upward. Yeah. So 30 minutes is there is a reason. When you blend, there's a way you blend 1 hour to 30 minutes is not good. I won't advise you to trade with 30 minutes. So now see, the market has changed to downtrend. You only want to sell. You only want to sell. So these are few, information. As time goes on, you will get to understand better on how these markets, work. So let me go back. Where am I? Where am I? Where am I? Yeah. So let's continue. So we are done. Soon, I'm going to share you more information, but we are done with this charts for now. So now, can you see that trading is easy, but it's hard if you don't know what you are doing. If you don't know that's why a lot of traders lose. Like 90% of the traders lose money in the forex market. It's only 10% that make money. So if you don't know what you are doing, you will keep on losing. And I know majority, some of you are here, you've been trading before and you've been losing a lot of money. It's because you don't know. You don't know what you are doing. You don't have a working strategy. And if you don't have a proven and profitable strategy to trade with, you will keep on losing. And that's why you have me here. This is one of my students, Mr. Bello. He's a 44-year-old man, very poor then. You see, I even gave him an award. But he's now one is if we are to count the top 20 of my students, he's one of them. He's now making a lot of money. This is one of the profits he made in just one trade. Some trade he took on volatility pairs, indices pairs. He made $913 in just one day. In just one day, you know, in just one day, and he used 0.1 on this volatility 75 pair. Now he's making crazy money. I think he finished his house in 2022 years. He was able to start his house from foundation level to he finished, he moved, did the interior, did everything. I think he finished in 2022. So I've given a lot of students of mine and I teach you something and you are able to practice it, put it into practice, and you are making money from it. I must award you for the good job. I must award you. This is one of my students. He was formerly my boss. He was my boss. When I was doing NYC in Federal Road Safety Headquarters in Abuja, he was my boss. But when I finished service, he started seeing my posts like this boy is making money. I drove a big car, like a big car to say hi to him. He was like, "What are you doing? You are just a copper few months ago, and now you're making a lot of money. Come and teach me." That was how I taught him Forex. He started making a lot of money from the Forex market, and I gave him an award. This is also one of my friend, Idowu. He also made a lot of money from the Forex market. So now imagine yourself making money like inside your house without having to wake up by your alarm. You know, just imagine yourself, picture yourself making money, right? Let us hear from some of my students. There are some of my students here. Let's hear from them. This is one of my students. He's from Morocco. I have a lot of students worldwide, a lot of them. I can't even count. This is one of them. Roy. Roy was able to turn $225. He was able to turn $225 to $12,000 in I think
Hi,
in three
my
three
name
months or
is
so.
Raul, and I'm here to talk about the benefits that Forex SB Academy bring to me in my trading. I started with $225, and now I am around $12,000 in less than 2 months.
Yeah, 2 months. Yes, I could
Now I
remember.
can dream with my car, with my own house. I can improve my hobbies and paying my bills without stress, thanks to Forex SB Academy. And special thanks to Mr. Paul, and thanks for his mentorship, and thanks for his guard. He has really changed my life, and now I can work from my house without stress and earning that money that I can't even imagine.
This is also one of my students who bought car. Yeah, a lot of them.
Everyone. I'm Steven from Benin
He
State.
turned one fifty
I've
dollar
been so
to
so down
nine
for like
thousand
three
dollar
years
in
now. I had
six
finished
months.
my
Nine
school.
thousand.
A
A
3 years. I
student.
finished my school 3 years now back. So I had no to go to school. It's really hard. Like Nigeria, the country is so hard. So the day I was going through some stuff online now, like I saw Mr. Paul on YouTube, so teach me how to trade, like teach me how to do forex trading. But now, like so amazing. Like I've made a lot of use of it. Like you can see me, I'm small, but damn, I have money on my account. Like I'm so happy for like this thing got me so happy. So I want you guys to do this too. Trade forex. It's really amazing. So try and trade forex. You know what I'm saying? Thank you everyone.
This is also one of my students.
I'm Hilary Obiazu. So this is it for that 75. Mr. Idowu has been one who has taught us how to really read this chart and be very profitable in it. You can see I made my entry on this zone, and so far it's gone almost 50% into profit. And now my TP is here. So we just have to wait a little bit. If it hits TP, fine, we're good. Yeah, this.
So there are lots of them like that have made a lot of money from the forex markets. I can't count them. I have a lot of videos of them. So if they can all make money from the forex market, you can also make money and even do better than them. They have one head. They have one head. You also have one head. So please listen. At this junction, I want you to know this program is not for lazy people. This is not a Ponzi, right? And this is not a get rich quick scheme, right? This is not invest one and get 10 tomorrow. No, this is pure gaining a value, getting a value and putting that value into practice and making money from it. I'm going to share you a lot of information on how to take advantage of all these things, but you must put in the work to learn. Are you getting my point now? So now, this is my strategy. I call it SB Mamove Signal Generator Strategy. It tells you when to buy and when to sell. If you can hear me, kindly type 4 in the chat box in the comment section. Type 4, type 4. If you can hear me, type 4 in the comment section. So SB Mamove Strategy is the strategy I designed. I took a lot of information together to design the strategy. It tells you when to buy and when to sell. You just have to follow the rules to make money from this market, right? So now, the benefit of SB Mamove strategy, all you need to know about it is a trend trading and detection strategy that tells you the trend of the market. See, when I shared my screen, I use trend line. A break of trend line like 1 hour, 4 hour time it tells you the market has changed. Even if you're a beginner with SB Mamove strategy, there are tools that automatically tell you that this market is going to change trend. It automatically tell you, even without doing your trend line, it automatically tells you that I'm going to change trend. IOP or Charles, I'm going to change trend. Come and check and take action. It automatically tell you by following the rule. in this strategy, it tells you when the market will change trend. You don't have to even draw trend line. It tells you when to buy. It tells you the trend that this market is now uptrend. You only want to buy, right? It helps you analyze the market and tell you when to buy, when to sell, when to take profits in the market. You just need to follow the rules, right? It's a clear design strategy that works on both MT4, MT5, CTrader, TradingView, any trading platform, right? So this particular strategy is worth $1,000. Don't be scared, right? You're not going to pay $1,000 to get this, right? Don't be scared. And I promise you that if you wait till the end of this video, I'm going to give you a gift worth 2,200, right? Not in cash, but in value. I always tell you that value is more important than anything. So when you gain the value, money will come. So now this is one of the bonus strategy I'm going to give you. You will get access to my complete forex trading beginner to mastery course, which is $150. And I gave a lot of beginner traders yesterday access to this for free, right? I'm going to also give it to you if you're a beginner and you are here. Then these are some of the contents in the beginner course: origin and history of forex trading, introduction to forex trading, key players in the forex market, those people that influence the market. A lot of it like that is in the video. Then I'm going to give you access to my psychology of forex trading. This is very powerful. You will only make money in the forex market when you understand the psychology of forex trading. Fear of missing out and the likes is worth $100, but I'll give you access to it for free. These are some of my students that have made crazy money from the market. This is Gideon, which I showed you earlier. He was able to buy himself car, and this is also Faith Uzoma. He was able to buy himself a sewing machine. This girl to buy a sewing machine, but he was using a local sewing machine. But when he started trading forex using my strategy, he was able to buy one for himself. And presently, he has opened a big shop for himself. He has like 10 people that are working for him now. So also, I'm going to give you access to my powerful 3 SME strategy, which I used to generate $11,800 in 2017. After I thought of committing suicide, after I learned this, I was able to use this particular strategy, which I'm going to give you access to it for free. I was able to use it to generate $11,800 then, you know. These are also some of my students. Ushe was able to buy, he started foundation, he started building his house. Also, we have Toba. Toba was able to use money. He bought this particular uncompleted building. You know, within 5 months, he made a lot of money. From the money he bought car, he used 2.5 million to started renovating this property, and he has finished the property as of today. And he's a big man, with his family and kid living fine. His kids are going to good schools and the likes. You too can start living that life in 1 2 month 3 month time. Knowledge is all you need. Also, I'm going to give you access to my powerful trend line strategy. Trend line is very powerful. I told you, trend line is very powerful. As a forex trader, if you don't know how to draw a correct trend line, you are losing. Right? This particular course will teach you how to draw a perfect trend line that will make you a lot of money in the market. Then we have Gross, who was able to make $142 on this particular day. That was his first trade after learning the SB Mamove strategy. He just tried it for the first time. He was able to make $142 in just one day. And now that I told you, there are platforms whereby with small capital of like $100, you get $3,000 capital. Then you also trade, and in 1 week you can withdraw your money. So you can make 1,000. Like in the next 1 week, you can make $1,000 and withdraw your money. So someone said I watched the videos shared and I learned a lot. I will be your student starting tonight. You're welcome. You're welcome, Joshua. All right. So this is another bonus which I'm going to give you. You are going to get access to my SB Mamove Premium WhatsApp group. This group is very powerful. This group is where all my students share information. Some of them share signals with each other. It's like a community of millionaires, community of traders. In the group we share information. Sometimes I also drop a signal. I drop trades. I drop ideas with them in the group. And this particular group is worth $500, but I'm going to give you access to it for free. As long as you're my student, you should be able to have access to a lot of things for free. My real estate investment information, access to it for free, as long as you're my student. Right? These are also some of my students that were able to buy cars. Right? This one bought, I think, Lexus, yeah. And I told you already, Karen bought yearly 250 then, and he's a big man. He has bought another car recently, right? Also, I'm going to give you access to my lifetime access to my SB Mamove signal generator Telegram community. In my community is a very big community where you see histories of my trades. You see histories of traders. WhatsApp, you cannot see history if you just join, but Telegram, you'll be able to see all the histories of all the trades I've traded. You will see there are screenshots of all those trades, so you will be able to understand my entry point. Someone asked in the group the other time that how do you know the particular place, the particular time to enter? See, my screenshots, a lot of them will show you the perfect entry. Also, the strategy will tell you when to buy and when to sell. So within 1 week, you should start making money, right? So this is worth $500, but you are getting it for free. These are a lot of my students have made a lot of money. Moses 642, Akin 3000, Lucy 587. A lot of them. Also, you will get access to learn more about crypto. Cryptocurrency is just like forex markets. Also, derived synthetic. They are just like forex markets. You buy low and sell high. You sell high and buy low. Simple. You follow the trend, you make money. Same as Nasdaq, stock, bond, and the likes. These are platforms for you to make money, but the knowledge you gain is what will make you that money. So, what are your pain? I want to ask you one question now. What are your pains? What are you really going through? I know some of you are going through a lot. Right? Is money holding you back from the life you deserve? You've been wanting to buy that car, you've been wanting to buy that house, you've been wanting to do great thing. What is that thing holding you back? Is it money? Right? Now take a moment and ask yourself, how much has money stolen from you? How much have you lose in life? The pains, right? All those things need to stop. The sleepless nights, right? Wondering how to pay your bills, right? The fights with your partner because of bill payments. How much? $100, $200. All those things need to stop, right? The tension growing because of financial strain. The stress you are going through at work. Feeling stuck in a job that underpays you. Your boss insulting you, talking to you anyhow. Your colleagues insulting you because of nothing, right? It's high time all those things stop. It's high time you start making money for yourself, right? You're watching your children, they need something, you're unable to buy it for them, right? All those things need to stop. You should be able to buy what your kids want for them. You should be able to take them on vacation, let them experience what really is. And that's why I'm here, right? Recall I told you I'm going to give you a gift worth 2,200. You will have access to my strategy, you have access to my beginner to mastery course, and every other thing, right? All in total is around 3,200. But don't worry, you won't have to pay any way up to that amount to get it. Don't be scared, okay? That's why I'm here. That's why I'm here to train you. I'm here to teach you. You're not going to pay this. I know you are now scared that, oh, I'm going to pay 3,200 to learn from IOP. No, you won't pay that. Right? That's why I said I'm going to give you all this. My course is worth more than even 3,200 because the money you are going to make is a lot, and the knowledge you are going to get will be with you for life. You can even teach your kids. So before they finish school, they would have started making a lot of money. Right? They will buy you car, do a lot because they are going to learn a lot. So you are not going to pay 3,200. So don't be scared, okay? So I'm going to give you a one-time insane offer to get all of this for just $249. Yes, just $249. Right? I know I've tried from 3,200. Have now reduced it to 2,000. Sorry, $249, which is a great offer for you. If you can hear me, type five in the comment section. Type five in the comment section if you can hear me. Type five in the comment section if you can hear me. Right. So $249 is what you're going to pay today. Right. But you know what? I'm going to help. I just need five people. I don't want a lot of people because I'm always busy. I'm always busy. I'm always trading. I have some of my students, right, that I pay monthly that are trading some funded accounts for me, some investors' money for me. So I'm always busy monitoring, managing those money. This money is large. So I'm always busy. So I only need just few people. I don't want a lot of people. I don't have time for that. I only want five people that I'm going to manage, teach them, mentor them for that 1 week, so they can start making money. As soon as they start making money, if possible, I'm going to give them a funded account also. As long out of the five people, I will just choose one of the best that I can trust with my capital. I can give the person maybe $10,000 to start trading. Only if the person can show to me that I'm a profitable trader, I've learned a lot from this your strategy and I've started making money. I will give the person $10,000 to start trading. Then when he starts making a lot of money, he can refund back the 10,000 I give the person. Out of the five, I will choose one person. But this for the first five people that will take action tonight, right? For the first five people that will take action tonight, right? They will only pay $49. Yeah, just $49 for the five people that will take action tonight. Just five people is what I need. I don't need any other person. I just want to focus on these five people. Then mentor them till they start making money, right? Mentor them till they start making crazy money. Just five people. So now, the first three fastest action taker will also get access to me one on one. They will have access to me. They'll be able to call me on phone, ask questions, share their screen with me. I will teach them this is what you're supposed to do. Out of those five, the first three people that will take action will get access to me one on one, premium one on one access to me. They will have access to my private investor group. They will have access to learn directly from me, my PA, and a few of those top traders in my group. Those people will have access to all this, and they will have access to do webinar with me private because every month I do a private webinar with few of my students, like 15 of them. Right, those are my special students, and those are the people uh, all my investors trade with. Right? They will also learn other sources of income. I invest in, I told you I invest in real estate, I invest in commercial properties, in agriculture, I invest in a lot. They will learn all those things from me, right? So the good part is they will also follow to learn the real estate investment I'm doing presently in the United Kingdom. So they will be able to picture, and if possible, if they wish to relocate, I can also show them more some information, teach them things to do to relocate if they want to, right? So now, if you are here and you want to be part of those five people, right? Pay just screenshot my screen now. Screenshot this screen. I'm also going to post this in the group, right? So just screenshot this, copy the link, and go and make your payment. After making payment, send your receipt to me on WhatsApp, right? Just make a screenshot of this and send the receipt. Make your payment and send the receipt to me on WhatsApp. Also going to post it in the group so you can also copy it in the group and make your payment, right? If you are in other country, like you are in Cameroon, you are in Kenya, you are in Ghana, you are in USA, you are in Australia, anywhere you are, just copy this link. For people in Nigeria, this is the rate you're going to pay in Naira, right? So just make your payment to this bank account and send me the screenshots of your payments. Okay. Once again, you can make a screenshot. I'm going to leave this up for like 5 minutes now. I will leave it for 5 minutes so you can make a screenshot and make your payments. Also, I'm going to send the stuff to the group now. I'm going to send it to the group so you can also copy it from the group. I'm sending it to the group so you can also go to the group and copy the link so you can make your payments now before the offer close. So yes, I've posted it in the group. So you can go and make your payments by following the group. I only want just 5 people. Just 5 people and we are done. Just 5 people and we are done. So go and someone have made payment. So we've gotten 1 person. So remaining 4. Someone just made payments now. Yes. Someone just made payments now. Send the person that made payment. Send me message on WhatsApp now. Send me message on WhatsApp now. The person that just made payments, send me message on WhatsApp now. Send me message on WhatsApp. Send me message on WhatsApp. Yes, this person just made payments now. Send me message on WhatsApp. Good one. So yes, you will get access to the material as now. I'm going to give you access to all the material now, so you can start learning. Then tomorrow you get back to me so I can do a one-on-one class with you. Yeah, 1 person just make payments. Okay, good one. So others is remaining 4 slots. Yes, 4 slots. After this 4 slots, we're going to end it. After this 4 slots, we're going to end it. Yeah. All right, guys. See you guys in the group. I believe you all learned a lot today. If you learn anything, type it in the comment section. If you have learned a lot from me today, type it in the comment section. Type it. If you have any question, also send it to me on WhatsApp. Yeah. So 1 person have taken the slot. Is remaining 4 people. So we are going to continue. All right, guys. I'm happy to have you all here. See you soon. Bye for now.